Yeah, it's
I
just,
know. I'm
In and out.
sorry.
In and out. Let's
Okay.
go.
yeah, it's recording.
Thank you everyone for coming today to the focus group. Today our focus group is going to be about coffee. I would like everyone to go around and introduce themselves.
I'm Monique Gamachet.
I'm Katie Chaplin.
I'm Megan McNary.
I'm Jake Dursey.
And I'm Laura Michelitz. Cassie Macklin.
Zach Johnson.
So today we're going to be talking about coffee, and I'm going to be asking you guys 14 questions, and I want all of you to answer them as best as you can and participate as much as you can. So the first question is, do you guys take hot beverages to go?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, almost every day.
What type of container do you usually keep them in, or do you usually go to a store and buy a latte there or something, or do you like bring it in a mug?
I usually just buy it there and then take whatever container they'll give me.
Yeah.
Same.
I bring a travel mug. I make my coffee at home.
Okay, how many times a week do you guys take your hot beverage to go?
5.
Twice a week. At least twice.
Probably 3 to 5.
Why do you guys not take it more than twice?
I don't have a caffeine addiction.
Lucky.
That's a good reason.
Yeah, mine's not always coffee. Sometimes it's like hot tea.
I don't need it every morning, I guess.
Is it time consuming for you guys too? Is that another reason you think not to bring it?
No, it's more of what time of the day I start my classes.
So what features in your travel mug are important to you?
Keeps it warm even in the cold weather.
Anyone else have any answers?
Don't have a travel mug.
Either way.
Can get it into the library. They'll let you take it in here.
That's a good
So it's got to be
Yeah, it is.
sealable.
Yeah.
Do you guys look at designs when you are choosing travel mugs?
I do, yes.
You do?
Yep. Has to be pretty.
It does. I agree with you. Do you guys look at
Mine would
designs?
just have to be not ugly, I guess.
Very true. Why do you choose to take your beverage to go versus drinking while at home?
That's time consuming.
Drinking it while at home?
Yes.
No.
You have to get up early to save time to drink it at home.
And you have to let it cool off.
That's true.
See, I don't drink coffee in the morning. That's why I was not following this. I would rather drink it at home. Because I can sit down and just drink it in comfort.
I guess I'd rather do that. I just never have the time to.
I don't usually drink it in the morning. That's my thing.
I don't make it, so I have to buy it from them.
I'm a Keurig, so I don't drink that in the morning though. I would drink that like when I come home. Coffee's actually a nighttime thing for me.
Is it because of school and studying and everything?
I would say that would help keep me up at night.
How important is your beverage to your daily routine?
Very.
Crucial.
Yeah.
Except I honestly don't drink that much coffee. I drink Crystal Light. Too much of it.
Why do you choose Crystal Light over coffee?
Just tastes really good. And I have a bucket full of Crystal Light. So
Why do you think that the beverage is an important thing to your daily routine?
Because otherwise I can't function at 8 o'clock in the morning.
kind of gets you up right away.
Yeah.
When do you usually make your drink and take it with you?
First thing in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Right before I leave.
And at like 1 p.m.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Do you use the mug as a to-go mug, or do you just keep your beverage warm while at home by using the mug?
To go mug.
To
To
go.
go mug.
Put it in a mug or a
Coffee cup.
coffee buy. Just at home.
Do you feel like those coffee mugs actually like perform what they're supposed to do? Like, do they actually keep your drinks warm and everything?
Like a
for-
travel mug.
Yeah, for an extended amount of time, or do you feel that it doesn't really do that?
Depends. Some of them are better than others.
Yeah, if you really want to put a good amount of money into it, I've
Yeah.
seen some thermoses that'll keep it like hot for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Also depends on how cold it is outside in the winter time. Going from like Humphrey to Straz doesn't necessarily work when it's like -4 outside.
So
like I used to do like hot cereal or something to go to work too. Like that, then it would stay warm and I wouldn't have to worry about it.
Good news. Okay. Do you regularly take your mug to go?
Yes.
Yes.
Have you always used to-go mugs, or is something you started using in college?
College.
College.
My mom would make hot cocoa for me and put it in a to-go mug.
Why did you start using it in college and not beforehand?
Because I didn't really drink coffee in high school.
Did you not feel that you needed to drink coffee in high school? Or did you just?
I didn't like it then.
Yeah, I
It
don't like,
was kind of an acquired taste in
Yeah.
college.
yeah, and the amount of caffeine that's in coffee / espressos.
Yeah.
How much do you expect to pay for a coffee mug to go mug?
If it's like a real thermos, like the one that'll keep it warm for a really long time, $20, $30. So it's probably around there.
Cheap ones like 10 or 15.
I'm not saying I would pay that though.
I don't know
20
anybody
max.
in college that actually pays attention to how long their coffee mug, to-go mug, keeps their coffee warm because they usually drink it pretty quickly. That's true. Just they chug it.
Do you guys know how much you would pay for a coffee mug?
I would agree with like $20. Yeah, I would do 20.
Do you guys, would you buy brand names? Like, would you buy one that specifically says Starbucks on it, or Caribou, or would you buy off-brand ones for it to be cheaper?
Probably Starbucks just because that's where I usually am getting coffee.
So it's just like a convenience factor,
Yeah.
going there and buying it from there.
I think Target has a really good selection
Yeah,
too.
it would depend on the design.
Yeah.
And like there's a Starbucks usually in Target too, so
That's true.
What do you consider besides price when making a purchasing decision?
Convenience, options.
Purchasing decision of the travel mug.
Yes.
What it looks like.
Yeah.
The handle, if it like has a
If it has
handle or
one
not
on
too.
yeah.
And the lid,
What
how it
kind-
closes.
yeah.
Is how much it holds important to you too, or does it not matter? Really?
They're all about the same.
That's true.
Because if it has a handle, it normally like doesn't fit in like the
The
cup.
cup holders.
Yeah, the cup holder.
Or the side pocket of the backpack after it's done.
I think size matters. Well, because a lot of times my roommate makes coffee or iced tea in a turbis, which is like that big, and it holds warm or cold liquid, and that is, I don't know how it's made, but it is insulated pretty well, and it keeps it cold or warm in ridiculous conditions, and you can, make a giant, I would use that for iced tea or something, I like big cups.
Do you purchase at a coffee shop versus a superstore such as Target or Walmart?
Coffee shop usually.
Mm-hmm.
Superstore. It's cheaper.
I agree. Target.
They usually also have different designs.
Mhm.
Starbucks is usually just a
Plain.
Starbucks label on a cup rather than some sort of design.
Are to-go cups ever an impulse buy for you guys? Or is it something you usually like go to
No.
a store and you're like, I need to buy a to-go mug?
It's like if my to-go mug that I have now were to break, then I probably would go buy another one.
Mine's usually an impulse buy. Like if I see one, I'm like, oh, that looks really nice, then I'll buy it.
Yeah, I agree with you.
So it's
I won't like
basically
go to the store and like be like, I have to go buy a coffee mug. It would be like, oh, that's cute.
Yeah, or you'd be like in line at Starbucks and be like,
Yeah.
oh, I like their red,
Yeah.
their red design
Yeah.
or whatever for December.
Good point, Cassie.
I've gotten them as gifts.
You've gotten those
Like for
gifts.
Christmas thing with a gift card or something.
Have you asked for it ever for Christmas
No.
or anything? No? Okay. Do you find your beverages get cold faster than you can drink them?
Not really, no.
If they do get cold faster, what do you do then?
Probably dump them
You
out.
dump it out because you can't
Heat it up.
But you have to put it in a different cup to heat it up.
Then it should go mug.
Then you should buy a better to-go bar.
Not if it's in metal.
But most do, unless it's like a Turvis.
No,
Yeah.
because like the plastic ones that like you get at the
Cells
brew,
or-
you can stick that baby right in the microwaves all over campus.
That's true. But that's
I feel like just assume you get like new coffee.
I mean, you'll
Yeah.
get
Yeah.
reheated coffee.
Well,
Coffee is bad.
Yeah.
Coffee's warm.
Well, I'm a nurse, and for mine, like I'll drink it in the morning, and then 8 hours later, like I'll still drink it even though it's cold because it's coffee, so it tastes good cold anyways. So I'll do it both.
You are a trooper.
I need my coffee at the end of the day.
Wow. Thank you very much for your participation. I really appreciate you guys coming here.